To become proficient in Google Ads within 30 days in 2024, follow these comprehensive steps for beginners. 1. Create a Google Ads account. Sign up for a Google Ads account using your Google credentials or create a new one if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to set up your account, including entering your business information, payment details, and choosing your time zone. 2. Conduct keyword research. Use Google's Keyword Planner or other keyword research tools to identify relevant keywords for your business. Choose keywords with high search volume and low competition to improve your ads visibility. 3. Create a campaign. Choose the type of campaign you want to run, such as search, display, or video. Set up your campaign by selecting your campaign type, choosing your campaign settings, and setting your budget. 4. Create ad groups. Group your keywords into ad groups based on their relevance to your products or services. Create ads for each ad group that include your keywords and a clear call to action. 5. Set up targeting. Choose your targeting options, such as location, language, and device type. This will help ensure that your ads are shown to the right audience. 6. Set up bidding. Determine your bidding strategy, such as cost per click, CPC, or cost per impression, CPM. Set your bids based on your budget and the competitiveness of your keywords. 7. Launch your campaign. Review your campaign settings and launch your campaign. Monitor your performance and make adjustments as needed. 8. Analyze and optimize. Regularly review your campaign's performance using Google Ads analytics tools. Identify areas for improvement, such as low-performing keywords or ad groups, and make necessary adjustments. Continuously test different variations to improve your click-through rate, CTR, and conversion rate. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering Google Ads in just 30 days. Remember to stay up to date with Google's updates and changes to the platform to ensure your campaigns remain effective.